What's going on YouTube? The eSight guy here, back with another video. The following footage you are about to see is me bowling with my eSight Go. I'm sure everyone's been excited to see me doing that, and it's finally happened, so I hope everybody enjoys the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.
Yep.
Okay.
Go ahead, buddy. Miss. Go, buddy.
All right.
I am, are you? I'll get practicing and stuff. Yeah, one more week and we'll. Good job, Ben. Miss, miss. No! You made me. Miss. Say it's at 5:30. Everybody.
All right.
I never guessed my favorite sport. There you go, Ben.
Ready?
Go ahead, bud. So 6 to 7:30 then?
That's good question.
Yeah.
It's a little better. You
Yep,
ready?
go ahead, bud. There you go, Bet.
Good.
No! Go! You alright? You alright? Oh God, Kieran's gonna win tonight, even the series. Yeah. this weekend?
No, you don't go to night.
Yeah, if they do it again in Bryan, I'll probably go to it again.
Man, you better pay attention.
Good job, man. Good job, Ben. Good job, man. You think you're good, bud.
Yeah, they're left. Yeah, they're left. You're playing at the
No,
high school?
we split it. They're doing soccer match. It's going to be at the church.
Oh, where you practice?
Yeah.
What church are they doing bowling at?
I think you can go at Wesley Church.
Oh, it's where you guys practice?
Yeah, I think I remember a vote last year. I'm not quite sure.
We're just making you guys.
Hey. Good?
What's up, buddy? Oh, miss. Oh, wow, good job, Ben.
Man, I got one.
It's all right.
No.
What's up, buddy?
Thank you.
Nanny was playing for her.
Yeah.
And that's
Is it their kids like playing, doing softball? That's good to know.
text about it.
Oh, Maddie, the softball? Yeah.
No, that Madison that was that bowls with us. Not that
Hey guess what? I'm about to go to Manny.
he's going to the Halloween party.
Yeah, I'll be there.
Oh, you want to see my Halloween costume?
He doesn't know Mandy.
Who's it going to be?
Huh?
That's probably
He's going to be a wrestler.
That wrestler?
I was going to
Yep. That's okay. Boys can beat girls. Oh. Try and make the girls laugh. Yeah.
They're funny though.
They are too. Good job, bud.
So I had to lay a voice track over this section of video because there was some talking in the background. So just wanted to thank everybody who supports my eSight channel.
You're lying!
And overall, the bowling today with this was wonderful, and I was thoroughly impressed. Hope everybody is enjoying the video so far and continues to enjoy the clips. Just thanks everybody for watching, and let me know what you think of the bowling in the comments overall. I'm just trying this with iMovie, and hope everybody continues to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Thank you.
Yeah, we're almost done. Yeah, second game. Yep.
That was good.
I'm surprised they gave me crap on Saturday. The Buckeyes got beat.
Missed it.
Oh, it's now two.
Yeah, different colors.
Good job, bud. I think I got it for you.
Thank you, buddy.
All set. Maybe 2 minutes. What's the supper night doing?
All set?
All set, buddy. Come on, Ben.
No, I'm gonna hate it though. I'm gonna like it somewhat, and I'm gonna hate it though.
Oh,
Actually,
basket, yeah.
when we get to fucking shoot off under the flag and
Oh,
down. And then you better ready to get your asthma pump.
Get the condition.
Because we're gonna be doing a lot of running.
Michael not gonna like it either.
Or Michael, he's probably gonna take it.
Good job.
And thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more content in the coming weeks. Thanks for all who follow the channel. And again, thanks for everyone who donated to my eSight Go fundraiser to make what you've just seen possible, meaning getting the eSight Go. I am eternally grateful to each and every one of you, my subscribers, my friends, my family, the Lions clubs. And this is just absolutely amazing. What you've just seen is just incredible. I couldn't have done any of this without all of you. And it's just truly incredible. So again, thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you again for watching. I'm Ben Murray. I'm the eSight guy, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.